Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use undo shortcut in Windows. Okay, there is so many possibilities with undos. You can see here. You can see there is a file, so we can simply delete that file by clicking here and selecting this one. So that file is deleted, and how to undo that delete. Okay, it is very simple. You can see here there is, you can right click, then you can bring undo delete, and the shortcut keys for undo for Ctrl Z. Okay, we are pressing Ctrl Z. You can see here I'm pressing Ctrl Z, then that file is restored. Okay, then also there is another usage. That means you can see here this is search button, and we are searching here hello. Okay, then press Ctrl Z. There is nothing working. Okay, we can use somewhere else. That means we are just rename this wallpaper to another name. Okay, then it is renamed, then press Ctrl Z, it will become the previous name. And here is one more thing. I'm opening my sticky notes. Okay, you can see here this is sticky notes, and we can simply delete everything, then simply press Ctrl Z, then it will be restore that area. In some editors we can simply restore step by step, that means each word and letters. So the simple shortcut for undo in Windows operating system, it is Ctrl Z. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.